you guys? It's your girl Tymarrahgi, and I am back with another lit hair tutorial. Y'all, I've been contemplating about doing this style, but I was like, y'all really love my tutorial, so I was like, let me just go ahead and do this for you guys. Before we start this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you want to be a part of this family, like you want to be here. Okay, today I am showing you guys how I got these butterfly locks. These are cute and they're like bob shoulder length. That's why I really like them. Like, they remind me of a blunt cut. Like, it's so cute. Like, I love them. So we're gonna jump straight into the tutorial, and after the tutorial is done, I will go over how long it took me, how many packs of braids I used, all that type of stuff. All the information that you need to know will be at the end. Of course, for my tutorials, if you are already a subscriber, I already got the timestamps for you guys. So don't forget to check out those timestamps, because you can just go to straight where you want to go, like what part of the video that you want to go. I'm helping everybody out, so y'all can just get it. Let's get straight into this tutorial.
Okay, so here I am looking like 42 Dub, but I used the Freetress water wave in 22 inches, and then I used the jam to do my separation parts for my hair. So now I'm just going to show you what I do. I take 2 strands of the hair in the Freetress hair and I pull it out. So that's the first one I'm pulling out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fluff out the second one. So now what I'm about to do is take my crochet needle, put it through my hair. Y'all, the way I did it the first time was kind of like too much. You don't have to bring the whole one through. You could just pull your braid through, as you'll see me do later on. But yeah, I was doing it the harder way, y'all. Like, when I do my styles, this was my first time doing this style, so like I just try to see what works for me as the style goes on. But you guys see, I'm just twisting it around. I will twist it like 3 or 4 times at the root, and then just keep twisting all the way down. Now, to get the butterfly look, I just like be messy with it. The little thumb method does not work for me. I tried, but it wasn't working. But you guys see that I just make it a little messy, like make it a little looser when you're wrapping, and you'll get the butterfly effect.
I did the edges and everything, you guys, and I am loving this style, y'all. Like, I really love it. Like, it kind of reminds me of my short, like, little twist, but like with a twist, a kick to it. I like it. Like, I love them. They're so cute. Like, I love them, y'all. I really do. Like I just love like the bluntness of it. Like, I love that so much. Hold on, I got to my earring. So let's jump into everything you will need to know, important information about this hair. So like I said, I use the Freetress water wave in 22 inches, and you'll see a picture of that right here. I used a total of 7 packs of hair to achieve this style. I don't know offhand how many braids is in my head, but I'm gonna put a picture right here because of course I'm gonna go ahead and count it, but it should be a number right here about how many braids is in my head total. This style is supposed to really take you 6 hours to do it, 6 or 5 hours to do it non-stop, but me, I kept stopping. Like, I started at 1 o'clock in the morning, y'all, and then I kept stopping and stuff, so it took me a while. But most people say they take 6 hours to do this style, y'all. So this style is very, very easy. I recommend this style for, like, this style is easy for beginners because it's it's not too much going on with this style. All you're literally doing is wrapping, and it's so easy for you guys to do. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be back with more videos soon, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, but don't forget to watch the video, look at the description, you guys, and get the information before y'all ask. Like, look before y'all ask all these questions, y'all, because I'll be having the information for y'all. But yes, see you guys later.